What's happening, my good human resource managers? Well, here we are. We are entering week number, right now we're week number 6, but week number 7 will be coming up in a couple days. Today is Thursday. It's about 1:10 in the afternoon. As you can tell from my stacked up coffee cups, I have not had my midday coffee yet, so I'm a little tired, but hope you guys are not. I hope you're doing well. I have a couple things for you I want to make sure I mention before we get this week rolling. So here's where we're at, guys. Week number 7 will be just a few days away, and I think most of you will be watching this video in week number 7. What do we have? We have chapters 13, 14, and 15 and 16 that are left. If you need any extensions, this is a good time to do so. And I'll explain to you why. Next week, chapter 7, unit 7 will cover basically the last, the last week before the finals week. So we do not have an actual final in this class. I know I have put that, but I'm not going to require that from you. As long as you've taken all your quizzes, we should be good. If you missed the video from a couple weeks ago, that was not a good decision to make. I am going to go back there and make sure that, I didn't miss anybody, but I'll be making some adjustments to some of your tests, those of you who replied. In regards to the upcoming weeks, what's going to happen is you're going to go through chapter 15 and 16, and you will be done with the class. And that would be the last thing to be required, will be obviously a closing discussion post. So we got week 7's discussion post and week 8's discussion post, plus the chapters 13, 14, 15, and 16. And we have reached the end of this course. So I want to compliment you because very little has happened in regards to crazy stuff. There's been some people who have ended up in the hospital because of this crazy flu epidemic, but for the most part, it's been pretty straightforward. You guys are professionals at this now, and you know exactly what to do. I hope the class was well organized. I hope when the surveys come out, you guys can take a look at that and give me a good review. That would be helpful for me to understand what worked, what didn't work, how can I adjust, what can I do. So in the next 2 weeks, it's going to go by pretty quickly from my experience. These next 2 weeks fly by very fast, and then we're done. So this is a good opportunity to kind of reflect back and look at what's missing, what you've done, what you haven't done, and try to figure out if there's anything you need to do before the end of the week, because there is no extensions past week 8 or unit 8. So this is a good time to catch up on any past work, any past discussions. Once week 8 hits, guys, that's it. No more extensions. It's over. Don't ask me for an extension. Don't ask me to review grades at that point. I am closing out everything and it's over. So make sure that this is a good opportunity for you to do whatever has to happen to get to where you need to be. I mentioned this last week. I do not give you a grade. You earn it. So don't expect me to give you a grade because you're a nice person or because you have great response. You earn your grade, so make sure that you got every bit of it that you wanted or needed or earned. I'm not going to just hand you people grades. I'm going to give you what you've done. So make sure this is the time to do that. Other than that, what can I tell you about myself? I am going to continue to teach. So if you are coming back to school B session or you're going to come for the summer and the fall, make sure you look for me, and if I can help you with anything, just let me know. It's been fun. I got one more video after this one to just say goodbye. If everything else is good, we will talk soon. Have a wonderful week.